Ooh, Mojo Monday with the stray cats, the copycats. The Mojo scores on the Kool-Aid today. It's just summer fun. Hi, Kool-Aid. Mojo team scored some Kool-Aid. Yeah, what does that mean? Yeah, we did. Let's check it out, what we did. So UVXY right now, we just sold some. We bought it right here. And sold it right there after we bought it here. Here, sold it here, bought it 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 here, sold it here. Now we sold the rest here. Really? Yeah, that's what we did.
Well, yes.
Let me show you. So the first time we traded UVXY was all the way this morning. It was the first trade of the day. We're going to do a UVXY entry at 20.05. Sold average 20.07, sold 20.19. It's trade number one. UVXY buy 20.05, got it 20.03. Trade number two. Sold half again 2019, 2024. That's trade two. Flat 2029. Then ETRM. We'll come back to that. Cool in the gang. Long 430. Cool 449. Sold some. Cool flat up into the top. ETRM made small amount of money. We'll get back to that. So UV long again. It's 2020. Sold 2024, 2029. Nice. So it was at 3. Sold 2029. Then we did Facebook. Didn't make no money there. Bought STEM. Made good money on STEM. SCYX sold 309. Made great money there. ETRM filled 0.185. Average on UV. Next trade number 4, 19.99. Sold 2009, 2011. UVXY again. New trade number 5. Average 19.95. Sold 2003. 2002. 2004, 2009. We're rebuying back what we sold, not lower this time, but higher at 2013 for trade number 6, and sold that one 19, 24, and 51. So just some great trading in UVXY. Got to be an experienced leader, trader, mentor, guru, to guide a whole group of people in and out of that stock all day long, and everybody makes money. Let's see what we did today. So August 22nd, here's the day trading poll for the room. We have $1 to $500 made, 9 traders. Nice. So 9 traders made 100 to 500. I like that. Six traders made 500 to 1,000. And 2 people made 1 to 2,000. 13 people in the demo made money. Nobody lost money. And that's the difference. That's the Mojo diff. And 11 people observing and watching. This right here is the Mojo difference, guys. We're a massive group of traders that win. Like, I'm watching this other room. If you bought CYCC, where was it? In at 914, sold 922. This trade right here, more than 300 traders did this trade. There's more than 500 in the room, but I'm estimating 300 traders in this room did that trade on CYCC. It's right here. So it went to 972 after you sold it at 922. So that trade right there, because there was another free pass going on for one of the rooms, so I decided to check that out. That's what I decided to check out today. So right here, we've got CYCC. He was in 914, out 922 with 500 traders, and we traded at 950, went to 970 and change, 972. Clear your throat there, buddy. Yeah, you better. So let me show you. Here we go. So there was another stock. I just got a newsletter. I'm subscribed to every single newsletter there is. So this newsletter came out this morning saying my $1 million guy is going to be coming out with some picks. You better watch out. You better not cry, because I'm going to make you money like this millionaire did. So he came out with this pick. And the symbol, okay, it's on the list right here. It's on the gainers list because they're pumping it. Pump, pump. It was on the gainers list. It's off the gainers list now, but it was on the gainers list. And I got the email. Here's the symbol, TNXP. I got the email. Buy it at 1018. Right there. So if I bought it at 1018, who bought all this before me? I would look like a big dick if I bought that. So I ignored the newsletter. And then at 1043, they sent it out again. The first one was special watch from the guy, the man, the millionaire. And the next one is a trade alert. See, it didn't move. It actually came down, so they sold. So then they put out another one at 1043 right here and got that little spike, and now they're selling again. So it's TNXP, very little volume on a subscriber base of 1,000 traders. So do the math. Who bought these shares? 17,000, 31,000, then 86. This is the liquidity, and 78 up into the top. I mean, that's just pathetic. But then the other one, actually, the same guy did my pick last week. As I mentioned it, Better Online Solutions, which we sold. And now I sent out only one pick. I didn't even do the newsletter because I was traveling yesterday. So for the first time in Mojo history in 5 years, I didn't send out the PDF version of the newsletter. I only sent out one pick, just one. And the pick I sent out was just an addition to the pick we did last week on Wednesday. Okay, so I put out to add, and we're going to do that. And the other guy put out to sell, and it was ETRM. Sold it up at 23. It failed this morning. Didn't go through 25. That was my target, to buy through 25. Otherwise, we're out. So here's my newsletter this morning to my subscribers. It was sent out. I got his at 9:52 a.m. Mine was sent out this morning right here. Mine was sent out last night right here at 11:53 p.m. I briefly looked at a few stocks. One that caught my eye is ETRM. We added back the half we sold Friday into 23 as it soars through 25 is what I think. So we'll see which way it opens and what the volume looks like. And it opened up down. So we never got to play it through 25, but we have a beautiful profit. And we own that stock at 18 cents. No, I think we owned it a little less. Let me take a look. It was sent out, and we own ETRM at, yeah, a little bit, we own it at, where is that one? 19, a little under 19 cents. So we made a nice profit on ETRM, and it's my only pick. Here's my picks from last week. We had ETRM. We already sold it and made a profit. That's why I bought it back. A DPW. Mojo bought DPW and still owns the shares at 76 cents, just a quarter position. Already has been sold. DPW right here, folks. So DPW made a move to $1.31 from 76, a 100% winner from Mojo on Friday. That was DPW. Then we have this one that also did really good on Friday, which is NFEC. We own this one at $1.19, and NFEC went to a $1.39 for us on the sell banger on 8/18. Highest sell, we sold 124, 129, and 134. Sound familiar? Look, cool. Kool-Aid's giving us some cool, guys. Gonna Heinz maybe. This is our stock today. We did the Kool-Aid. So going back to cool, this is the Mojo pick right here. This morning at 420, 430. It's right up here at 488. There's a signal at 90. Could go to Heinz, but I'll pass on it. I don't need to trade it again. Here's the trading on cool right here. 465 long. New high of the day, 85. I already sold it up into this at 79 and 84. Done with it. I will not buy it back because I don't want to lose no profits. But it should maybe test $5. Okay. And it's right here at 490 by 492. Mine was 479, my last one. It's now 492. Always does that to me. Always. So, hey, at least my stock, I didn't buy it at where'd I buy that sucker? 465 long and sell it at 471 in 5 minutes later because I wasn't able to get the liquidity from the room and I got scared. So I sold it. And then it flew. Isn't that what happened to CYCC? Yeah, I think so. CYCC. Yeah. Yeah, so we bought STEM this morning 3 times. The first time we bought STEM was a great trade this morning. We did flat at 180, flat 179 because we filled sold STEM 170, STEM 167. We sold here through 75. So STEM, we sold through 75, rebought it back 70 and 67, sold 72, sold 80 flat. And then we retraded it through 2. We got STEM Heinz. I know a couple people did that. We got 202 for the sale, which was the highest print. Did anyone in here besides me get that? Heinz print 202 sale. Anybody besides me? So we did that. ETRM. Yeah, so he's stealing from me. That's correct. This penny stock newsletter. He might be in the room. Funny thing about his site, he's a pastor. That's great. We're talking about CYCC. We're not trading JDST today. Nope. I own JDST at $3.99. Went to 470 today. Right here, look. 470. I know my numbers, folks, because that's where I sold. So I know my numbers. VRX. Amazing trading in VRX today. Let me show you what we did for the room in VRX today. VRX today, we traded up right here. If you look on the 5-minute chart, right off the open, the stock went from 29.40, bang zoom, to 31.40, 1 point. Nailed it. People were done just for the day trading VRX. We traded CLF right here at the open to go through this top right here. And it went boom, and we bought it, and then it went up to a high here, and a high here of 621 where we sold it. Then we did SCYX. Again, right through the top of this, we bought right here, sold up into the top of that, right through $3, giving us the liquidity that we needed. Then we got LTRX, and we made an amazing move this morning on LTRX. Stock went from $1.30 right here to $2.10. It's an 80-cent move. It's almost 100% move on the stock. Okay, so that bang zoom to the moon right there, that's rocket ship. We nailed it. Then we nailed it again right here and rebought it and sold it right here. Amazing trade. Then it came down again and I passed on it. I folded. Said, no way do I want to trade that. I'll actually fold it. I think I even wrote that in there. VRX, 82 tickets made money just because of MOJO University. MOJO University starts tomorrow night, full class. I'm sure some of the new mentors out there were in my last one. They'll do a repeat in my new one. Pick up a couple of tips. Gonna have a full class. It's gonna be a good class. Probably we'll have 60 people in there. WGBS V-band break on the 5-minute into 90. Look at that water, Jeff and Biosystems. See this one? They clean your water. Make sure you have good drinking water, man. In case of some devastation, violations. Oh, that's where my stocks went. I have a couple that were missing on here. I'm like, where'd my PIP? I got PIP, Parmethine. I have APDN, applied DNA. Nailed that sucker down here. Got that one. Got the PIP. Got IDSY on my list. Got $5. Yup. There we go. That one. And Command Security. Where's that one at? That's 270 in the base. Yeah, some security stocks just in case. You know, just in case. So that's what we traded today. We passed on this APRI because at the time for the room, it traded 145,000. So I'm like, you know what? Let's pass on the stock. It's not worth it to trade if we each buy 5,000 shares. It'll be more than the volume for the day in the security. So we won't trade it. We'll just pass. I think it was an ace. I think I folded pocket jacks. I think that was a pocket jacks fold. Let's see. Topics. Yeah, JBLU's not a one. Guy says, Mike, what about JBLU? So I go like this. I go JBLU, and I go watch. I go, okay, boom, 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 pass, fold, no good. I did that in a second. I stepped up to the line of scrimmage. I did my 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 = 4 formula. I knew it wasn't a winner. Move on. We're done with the next one. Yo, I teach that in MOJO University. How you could know immediately within a nanosecond if the stock's going to be a winner or not, if it fits my formula. 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 = 4. Doctor my eyes. You know, show starts. So selling to the rally, very nice, very nice. Dude, where is my fold? My fold pocket jacks. Folding ace king, that was it. Folding my little ace king. So we have the stock SSY in the swing at 76 cents. And they got bought out with a buyout today, SSY, right here. See, it went to $1.90. Sunlink Systems, SSY, from 70 cents. That's a MOJO pick. Okay, it was picked on, if you want the date, SSY pick was on July 25th at 70 cents. So on July 25th, right here, July 25th, right there, we bought it. And now look at it. Oh, wow, that's a good one. That was a good one. So we did the DPW, which I showed you, in the ETRM. Then we did the Willie. We did the Willie. I like Willie just like I liked Naked Brands because I love the name. When you have a name that just effervescence, positivity, and coolness like Naked Brands, I had to buy the stock right down in here in July. And the stock went kaboom from $1.30 to $2.50. So I'm like, cool, check out this stock, Willie. Look at the Willie. Where's my Willie? Willie. Willie Foods. Like my Admira Foods. So this stock right here, Willie, went kaboom. Look at it, 585. Look at it, 581. Ooh, people may be short. You know where I own the Willie? Got the Willies. I got the Willies at 481. Selling the Willies at 581 for a 1 point gainer. Gainer, like a nice dive. TLND, Talent American Depository Receipts, $31 per share. Very interesting, up 12.7%. Is that the top? I'll tell you. Ooh, I'm not going to touch it. So move on to the next one. Like the stock before, you see what I just did? I'm like, let's take a look at it. As soon as I said that, people bought it in the room and they got burned because I wasn't really buying it. I was just looking at it. That's what I told you. Let's see here. So we have NFEC and BOSC. Let's take a look at those. NFEC and BOSC. Got to reopen up my platform. Okay, NFEC. We sold right here at $1.39. We bought it down on here at $1. Then we did BOSC, which we bought over here on Sunday. My picks come out on Sunday. So they don't even come out on Monday when the market opens, so nobody can know about them. I'm the only one that knows my picks. And then next week, all of a sudden, 5 newsletters come out with the pick. We owned it at $3.33 on August 7th. It was my birthday pick. So we own it here on Sunday, August 5th. It opens up. We buy it right here, and it makes a new high there at 402. Nice job. CYCC, I'm putting it up here. Well, everyone got stopped out of CYCC right up here. This is the stopping station, guys. 927 to 32. See it? So that's what we got there. Stem, good pass before, not trading stem. Got a couple of other ones here on my list that are doing pretty well for the swing. Oh, there's my Willie. See my Willies down there on the bottom. So we have VBIV. This is my pick. It's the Zika virus vaccine, VBI vaccines. It's my pick. So they're waiting for FDA approval. They'll sell it to the government and the stock will double. So that's my pick, VBIV. Don't dare put it out. My pick. Then we've got this one right here, Tatron Components, TAIT, my pick. Don't buy it. Waiting to make a move up through $1.70 and retest the high of that spike, just like DPW did. You see that one spike? Look, see DPW did it here. You see it did it again here and here. You see that same thing is going to happen to that one, to the TAIT. It did it here, and now twice as big here. Then we've got what else? JVA coffee. Looking at that one, it's got a trigger. We have DNAI, Pro DNI Therapeutics. We have this one long in the base looking to come out. And that's it. Great sell on UV right into the high. Anybody in our room print 54? Pip ready to pop. Whatever. No, it's not. Yeah, if we get hit by anthrax, that's what they. I didn't participate in the haul because I didn't take, but I made over 2,000. Sweet, dude. Free Willy. Free Willy. Yeah, all the picks are really nice. What else? Made the goals for today. Did the poll. I showed everyone the poll. Yep. That's done. What else? Good for a Monday. I was tired. Did 14 hours of driving yesterday. Bam! Straight up. Bam! Straight back. The Moj did it all. Like a champ. All right. As I was long UVXY over the weekend. I make so much money being long that stock. It's amazing. It is amazing. Yep. We'll trade them long. We'll trade them short. Dude, I'll trade them any which way we got it going on that we make money if it hits my setup, baby. That's right. What do we got? What do we got? Nothing. Anybody else have any suggestions? Add to the show today. We have some new traders. Welcome new traders to the room. Over the weekend, we got welcome. Let me see if they're here. Hey, Snook DOS. Oh, yeah, you want to know about the DOS? Yeah. Welcome new trader. What the hell's his name? Trader Corey. I did him today. I did two other guys. 2053 UV. Nice, you printed 2053. So who I trade with is Interactive Brokers. So the first step, number one, is to go to interactivebrokers.com and open up an account. Okay, as a trader. Okay, and you start your application right here, and you get your account number. Once you get your account number, you go to this website, which is dostrader.com. Once at dostrader.com, you click subscribe. Then for Interactive Brokers right here, this will pop up. You select $120 monthly, click subscribe, click send authorization to IB right here. After you subscribe, put in your name, email, phone, your IB account number, which they gave you. So you can't do this until after you have an account number from IB, your IB username. Then you say, yes, I agree, signature, and you click submit. Then DOS platform right here. We'll get in touch with Interactive Brokers right here. Your account is right here. It will be linked up to this, and now you could trade along, and everything is linked up beautifully. When you're at Interactive Brokers, you select for commissions, trading. You go trading. I'll show you commissions, pricing, commissions, tiered right here. And that's it. So you're all set, Snook. Told my trader I'd show him the steps to do that. Why the 120? Well, actually, you can go more if you want more data feeds. If you want options and those other things, it's the feed for the data. So if you look right here and you subscribe right here, you can actually, it could cost you up to $200 a month if you get the E-mini and the Forex and all that data. It's an elite premium package. This one for $175 includes options, the ARCA book. This one includes E-mini, OTC level 2. This one includes OTC level 2 and E-mini. This one is just a basic level 2 for US equities, $100 a month. And that's it. ARCA book to ads, 15. E-mini to ads, 15. And so forth. Add Forex data, 15. That's it. So that's how that works. You got it. Nah, it's not worth the elite unless you trade all that. Keep it simple, stupid. Kiss. That's what you do. RLGE V-band break right here. It's got a big spread. Look at that, guys. Big spike, big bars. Went from $1.95 to $2.95. It's already up $1. Look, everyone's getting auto closed from their accounts out of CYCC from the buy they did this morning, and it ran up or whatever they did. Look, everyone's going to get stopped out. Just like STEM at 202, you're getting auto close and stopping station right here at 177 Mojo U. Mojo traders, you can go ahead and do a 177 on a STEM right here. 177 and lower. Thank you. Very nice. So we'll be in STEM. We did the last sale at 202. So the people that bought us out there, you're getting stopped out here with your stops. Mojo doesn't trade with stops. Mojo takes your stops. Right? Kool-Aid? Right, dude? I ain't gonna play that because I don't want this video deleted. I only got to play the Grateful Dead. That's what I could play longer. They got free music on there, but it sucks. See, musicians don't get it. The Grateful Dead gets it. They have no copyrights. They want everyone to take their music and play it to the world. The more, the better. And the people that have the copyrights, listen, your songs are too long anyway. They suck. The new thing now, they are little 15 to 30-second music clips that musicians are making. That's the shit now. Very highly motivational music. You'll see. It's the new wave. The new wave of music. So STEM looks solid right here. Good job on that. CYCC, pick that up at stopping station 2. You can do that. What else? UV solid, Dow down 43. Didn't expect it to go down that much, but it did. Let's take a look at some of the other ones. You got to pass on that one. Got to pass on that one. Retail opportunity. Cool. Ooh, Cool took a big dumping. Needs a little Kool-Aid, some cooling off. That's it. So that's really the show for today, what we've done. Want to pick it up stopping station right here? Cool. Nah, it's therapeutics. I don't like, these things can come out with bad FDA. It could halt and go down to $1 while I'm in it. So I'll pass. By the way, your JetBlue before, terrible pick at 16. Aren't you glad I folded, Bruce? You're going to take Mojo U and learn how I did that, dude? Because the money you save there just trading that is the value of what it costs to take Mojo U. Really? But you're not signed up. Class starts tomorrow. Tish just signed up. Tish just texted me. Look. She said, I'm not going to make one of the classes. I said, dude, I'll record it for you. You can watch it. No problem. She's like, cool, great. I'm like, absolutely. See, Tish, she just signed up. Look, we text each other. Tish, Mojo. Look, Tish. Tisha. See, Mojo. Hey, Mike, quick question. I want to join. Who's this? Oh, it's Tisha. There you go. Boom, done. Thank you. Boom. There we go. Just like that. Send me an email, Bruce. Send me an email. I'll hook you up. Nice cool off stopping station, eh? A little cool off the stopping station. So we got the Pennyland people copying my picks. I went over that. Done. We got everyone's freaking front running to make money. It's unbelievable. And they're all turning into mentors and teachers. What are they going to teach you? Their secret? This is what I do. I buy the stock first. And then I tell my entire room to buy it because I want to make money off them. Like this one, RLG. I said, I could have bought 5,000 shares and said, you know what? I'll buy 5,000. And then I'm going to tell the room, look, just go ahead and buy it. Buy it because it's going to fly. And then they would have bought it and they'd all be buying it right here. And I'd be selling for a profit. Then my whole room would be stuck owning it right up here. See, it's all lost connection. Shit's coming in so fast. So my whole room would own it right here. I'd own it here. I'd make $2,000 and everyone in my room would lose money. That's good, right? It's a good system. There we go. I'm back live. That's a good system, right? So beware of the day trading rooms that you're in, folks. 90% of the day trading rooms operate like this. The ones that don't have been around for a very, very long time. Great trading today. So that's what people get stuck. So imagine buying the stock at 325 and in 5 minutes, you're already down $250, losing your shares on a stop loss. Trading's brutal, guys. If you're on the wrong side of this wave right here, trading is brutal. UVXY, you're on the wrong side of this wave right here. Trading is brutal. Yeah. Trading is brutal. Nice buy off stopping station right down there, guys. Hold on one second. I'm going to be done with the show today. Nothing else really to talk about. We made money. Mojo traders all made money. Boom, 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 boom. Anybody else have anything to share? We'll do that. Otherwise, it's just been a nice day. I will. Where are we supposed to connect over the weekend? But I understand you were traveling. Correct. Correct. Didn't I think I left, didn't I call and left a message? I called you this morning. Let me see. No, it's a different guy. Yeah. I'll have to check it out. Anyway, we'll get in touch. I was traveling. Oh yeah. Yes, that's you. Yeah, you're Larry. Because your name confused me on Twitter. You're Larry. Yeah. What's up, dude? Yeah, I'll call you after the show and stuff. We'll chit chat. Otherwise, we traded amazing today. We really traded great today. Facebook was the only stock. I traded it up here at the top. I didn't make any money and whatever. I didn't lose money in it though, thank gosh. Traded at 123, made nothing. Covered commish. Cool, great trade, guys, from 428 back up to 456. CYCC, great trading right here off 911 and 912 right up to 925. Okay. Now, don't be surprised if Mojo's selling right there, because we are. Okay. Don't be surprised if Mojo's selling right here, because we are. All right, guys. So Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace. Keep it profitable, and I'll see you tomorrow.